Bonjour à tous.
Welcome back to Light Up Technologies. Today, we're diving into two of the most important verbs in French.
Avoir
And
être.
if you're learning French, mastering these verbs is key. They're used everywhere, and knowing them will make your French much smoother. Let's get started. First, let's look at
Avoir.
which means to have. You'll use this verb a lot in French. It's used to talk about possession, like saying you have a dog, a book, or even an idea. This verb is also used in some common French expressions, like when you're hungry or thirsty. We'll see that later.
Here is how you conjugate in the present tense.
J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont.
Okay, now that you know how to conjugate it, let's practice a few sentences. For example, I have a book. In French we would say,
J'ai un livre.
you have a house. In French we would say,
Tu as une maison.
they have friends. In French we would say,
Ils ont des amis.
Now let's talk about the verb,
Être.
which means to be. Just like
Avoir. Être.
is an essential verb. In fact, it might even be the most important verb in French because it's used to describe who or what someone is. Here's how to conjugate it in present tense.
Je suis.
I am,
Tu es.
you are,
Il est.
he is,
Elle est.
she is,
Nous sommes.
we are,
Vous êtes.
you are,
Ils sont.
they are,
Elles sont.
they are. Now let's use it in a few sentences. For example, I am a student. In French we would say,
Je suis étudiant.
she is a teacher. In French we would say,
Elle est professeure.
before we wrap up, let's look some expressions using both verb in French. For example, if I want to say I am hungry, I would say,
J'ai faim.
I am thirsty. In French we would say,
J'ai soif.
I am happy. In French we would say,
Je suis contente.
he is sad. In French we would say,
Il est triste.
I am sleepy. In French we would say,
J'ai sommeil.
I am tired. In French we would say,
Je suis fatigué.
I have a headache. In French we would say,
J'ai mal à la tête.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more French lessons. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing.
À bientôt et bonne chance avec le français.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.